Alright, hello everybody. Welcome aboard the Skybox. I'm Riley, and we're back with another Teardown video. I got a new tool. I did a little bit off camera, so sorry for that, but I don't want you guys to just be looking at the same place all day. So planks can be used to build primitive ramps. Okay. So yeah, I did a little bit more just so I could get planks. I also upgraded some of my tools. That's a new thing that we can do now, right over here. And I think actually, I'm going to upgrade my planks a little bit. This is honestly super cheap. Like, this is, yeah, I'm gonna give myself a lot more planks because I think that's gonna be helpful. I don't really use the blowtorch because I have the shotgun. So unless I need to set something on fire, which really only takes a tiny bit of my blowtorch, it's not really useful. But we got quite a bit of stuff going on here actually. Mission the car wash and mission heavy lifting. So we have Lee Chemicals, we've done that, we've been there before, but I want to check out Villa Gordon because we haven't been here before. Home of the mall manager and racing enthusiast Gordon Wu. Okay. Executive mansion. This place looks really different from the other places we've been to. So it should be good. Whoa. Also, sorry for my voice being very deep and not very supported, I guess. I'm it is the morning, so. Ooh. I love that. That's so nice. Okay. This whole place, like, just the graphics in this game are nuts. And yeah, I'm sorry if it does look a little framey at times. That is because I'm recording. This game isn't optimized, but it is a very graphics intensive game to begin with, so I understand. Holy shit. I could just sit here and screw around like all day, but let's get straight to the mission. So, escape vehicle. Let's go check out some of these mission objectives. So car. What I'm understanding. So I need to understand where my escape vehicle is. It's this one, right? Yes. Break-in alarm box or wire triggers the alarm. Okay. So I think what's gonna happen. This is. I gotta bust out the shotgun. I cannot take out this whole wall, can I? That's not gonna happen. Frick. Oh wait, let me restart the mission. I have an idea. It's like a European thing. I don't really see this in Canada where they have these little support beams. It's all like separated. Forgot I had it. Alrighty. think what makes this game so enjoyable is that it's just like Lego. Like, it's literally just Lego. Destructive Lego, I guess. Alright. Let's have a little bit of a better path. It's gonna be hard for cars in general to get around. This one's easy, you go that way. We're gonna have to move that stuff out of the way. This one also the same path, or we can just cut through there. It's actually probably better. Maybe I should just cut all of them through there. How many do I need to get? Only 3. I feel like I'm not going to get every single one. I feel to get this one though. Let's go explore a little bit. See what we can get our hands on. Yo. That's such a nice looking gazebo. I'm so distracted by that. Yeah, this one's on a truck, so this should be no problem. While I say that, I'm gonna quick save. Are we just supposed to trigger the alarm, or are we supposed to take the car there as well? It seems like it's about the car, not the alarm. Honestly, get rid of all of them out of this. Barely working. So I don't really know. Why don't I quick save and then test it? So I don't think I actually need the car. I think I can just pop the alarm by driving them enough. Okay. So I go from this one to this one to this one, drive over here, get that one, and I'm done. And honestly, I think that's all I'm going to do. I don't want to do all the optional ones just because it's going to take too long. Maybe at a later date I'll come back and do them. Do all the option. So let's lay out our path here. We go here. No, to here, not there. To here. This car. And then we want to go. There we go. Break the shit out of this. Right. And then spray can. Yeah, it would have been easy if I just carved a big one. Would have saved ammo. But That will do. It's enough for me to drop down. This is the car. This is the car. What kind of alarm is on this thing? I don't see no alarm on this thing. This is not a car either, so this kind of actually ruins my whole idea. Can I stop it like halfway, or gotta go all the way? Okay. How do I put these tires on? Looks like it's in. I need like a... I don't know. That looks like it's falling. That's falling slowly. Oh, car. What do I do? Fire alert. Oh. The fire alert if there's too much fire. Weird. Still do a little Ghost Rider action, drive the car. I am lost on what they want me to do with this. Honestly, I'm not gonna do anything with it. How do I... That doesn't want to open door. I don't want to go all the way over there, so maybe what I'll do is I'll change my path. I just kind of want to keep that door open, if that makes sense. I don't think it will, honestly. I don't know which one's faster, but honestly, I think this is going to be better. Instead of going down there, I'm just going to go... Oh, cool. I'm just going to go... Oh, the other cars are there, so I'm just gonna go like this. I'll give my new planks a go because I haven't tried those yet. I think this will hold me. Sure, why not? All this shit out so it's not so heavy. Alright, and then I'm gonna quick save and I'm gonna give this a go. I have plenty of time. I could possibly even get the... All required targets? What do you mean? Oh, what? On the truck? What truck? Wait, hold up. I saw the helicopter coming in. That was kind of cool. Okay. Wait, hold up. A truck? When you say truck, you mean I'm supposed to put these in a truck. What's this? Supercar. What truck, though? Where? That's my escape vehicle, but where is this truck that people speak of? Oh, I forgot they had this thing. Could see the path. I am lost. It's not telling me where the truck is. Let me restart and see what I can figure out. Okay. So there's a van. It's my escape route. Honestly, I just want to look around this place. I could just do the whole episode like this. But I definitely want to race this racetrack. I'm sure it's probably a mission or something. Why wouldn't it be if they have a racetrack? Wonder what they're building over there. This place looks really cool. This all looks really cool. So many geometric gazebos. Chess. Ooh. Ooh, there's like a road out on the side. You know, I'm not seeing this, Oh, dump them in the water. I'm stupid. Okay. So we gotta find the best route to take this. I'm sorry, this is a nice bed. I love this place. I'd live here. This door though, this needs to go. Just clean it up. I don't want the least amount of friction possible. I like this kind of, I don't know, I haven't really noticed this until now, but there's like this kind of fading effect when you go through things. I think all games should have that instead of like ruining your, I guess not all games, but you know what I mean, like in certain areas where you should be able to see through the object. I think that should be something they implement. So I go off. Can I change the color of this spray can? I like multiple. So basically I want to go down here. There's no way I get this one in the water, like it's just in the middle of nowhere. So I doubt that's gonna happen. What I do think I should do though instead is actually cut through here. And then I could take this out that way. I don't want to have to drive all the way back to get another one though. So at the same time, could also get this one just like right before. Just put this right here, drop it, and then get this one and drop it. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drive them over. No, that's more difficult. I gotta go get more cars like this one over here. So for every car I drop off in the ocean, I'll go get rid of that wall for every car I drop off in the ocean. And ideally I go through the path of least resistance. Yeah. Already. Why don't I just cause some havoc, because why not? That's definitely better. I'm gonna just... It's in the way. So much debris, actually. It should be fairly fine, right? Even if there's a little bit... Whoa! Even if there's a little bit of debris, it should be fine. And then I want to go get the car. Ooh. I got this thing stuck in the mud. There we go. Have it ready to whip. And honestly, I should clear this. Can I drive this? I can. Just gonna move this out of the way, really. That's what I want. That's an easy way to get a car off of right there. That works. Didn't know those exploded. Oh, shit. That does not work, though. Oh, frick. Okay. This is not gonna cut it, gonna be honest. There we go. Okay. That fixes a little bit of our problem. Let's just clear this up real good. Honestly, so much shit here. Should be fine. We just need most of the debris to be out of the way. Maybe all of it, right? Now I need an exit vehicle. Just get rid of this altogether. Kablamo, 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 kablamo. And then... Yeah! Oh my god, I sent that. That weighs like literally nothing. Is that durable if it weighs that, if it's that light? Like, I feel like it's not. I don't know what it's made of. Made of fucking carbon fiber, maybe. I had to. I had to. So yeah. This bad boy comes out. And I don't know what I'm supposed to do with this one. But, yeah. I guess I'll go get another whip. This one will be my whip back. And this one goes to the end. And I escape. Now we fini. Get over here. Oh no. Oh my god, there's something under the car. I fucking hate this. Come on. Dumb. There we go. Out of the way a little bit. Get all this garbage out of the way. That should do, and then I go all the way back to the end. Alrighty. Let's give this a go. Oh my gosh, I just had an idea. If we can go find explosives, I'll give it a go. Oh, this is explosive. These are explosives. Let's do it now. How about that? Quick save just in case. Let's have a little fun, you know. I feel like there's not gonna be enough explosives. Whoa, hold up. What is in here? That was like a finish or something on top of it that I can break. Oh, this is an elevator. An elevator in this thing. That's kind of nuts. Okay, I feel like we're not going to be able to destroy that with much ease. Definitely come back and I want to just like take this whole place down. That would be really fun. But for now, let's get the truck and let's finish this. Ooh. This is what I'm gonna do. Oh, sorry, tree. Oh. Okay. So quick save. And here we go. Fuck. That's not gonna work. It needs to go straight into the water. So actually I think I should do it over here to be safer. Quick save. Oh, fuck. God damn it. Why does it put my mouse on the fucking quick load? Shit pisses me off. Just enough of the vehicle doesn't fall over. Quick save. Oh, hey, no, wait, hold up. That's not what I wanted to do. I wanted to get in the car. Okay. Let's give it a go. It's gonna take longer than I thought it would, honestly. Oh shit. This shit. Oh, holy fuck, this sucks. And I can't fucking get over anything with this fucking flat ass car. So that's not gonna work. And I guess I'll just finish here. I wasn't gonna get the other one. It is too hard to like build a thing to work there. So I'm just gonna take that, and that'll be the end of this episode. If you like the video, then like the video. If you subscribe, then subscribe if you haven't already. It's daytime now. It's looking nice. We're putting in work in this place, and I'll see you guys on the other side of this door.